Tests, tests, standardized tests.
Homework.
Tests, tests, standardized tests.
Homework.
Tests, tests, standardized tests.
Homework.
Tests,
Calc.
tests,
Calc.
standardized tests.
Homework.
Tests,
Calc.
tests,
Calc.
standardized
Calculator.
tests.
Homework.
Tests,
Calc.
Highlighter.
Calc.
standardized
Calculator.
tests.
Homework.
Tests,
Calc.
Highlighter.
Tests,
Highlighter.
standardized
Highlighter.
tests.
Homework.
Tests,
Instagram. Instagram.
tests,
Ooh. Instagram.
standardized
Instagram.
tests.
Yeah.
Homework.
Instagram.
Tests,
Instagram.
tests,
Ooh. Instagram.
standardized
Instagram.
tests.
Scroll me. Insta.
Tests, tests,
Insta.
tests, tests,
Insta.
tests,
Insta.
tests,
Insta.
tests.
Homework.
Highlighter.
Homework.
Tests,
Calc.
Highlighter.
Calc.
standardized
Highlighter.
tests.
Homework.
Tests,
Calc.
Highlighter.
tests,
Highlighter.
standardized
Highlighter.
tests.
I'm gonna have to kill Kenny.
And then you go in and,
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh.
is it recording, you mean?
Yeah. Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah. It's that little red dot.
That's not.
No, that is not Cartman.
Stand, right?
Yeah.
I don't know
It
anymore.
is.
You got this! Okay, guys, your eardrums are gonna burst.
That's fine. I'm partially deaf anyway. I just take my hearing aid out, it'll be fine.
Oh,
Is there a
we can
difference
take this.
between naked and regular?
Yeah, we'll tell you when to be naked.
Okay.
That sounded weird.
No. Sounded perfectly normal to me.
We're cutting that. I really hope it's
I
getting
can't even see what's going on. That's the thing.
Wait, which one's Kyle? Kyle?
Kyle, Stan.
Stan. So Snape, Dumbledore, Ron, Harry, and Hermione.
Hermione, Harry.
Yeah.
Naked. You'll see at some point Dumbledore becomes naked, and that's why. Herman naked.
Oh, wait, did it just turn off?
No, it's just, it'll keep
Oh, it
recording.
restarted.
No, it didn't.
I can't see.
No, it's like it's 6 minutes right now.
My doctor says I don't need glasses.
You need glasses.
And I disagree.
You need glasses.
Yeah. No, it's still recording.
Oh, it's at 6:23. Okay.
All right, yeah. You'll have to just go through it.
Can I reach if I sit on my butt?
I have to anyways,
Oh.
because I can't do what you guys do.
Wait, who's?
Dumbledore.
Don't make that noise. That's a Harry Potter noise.
Snipe, Severus Snape, Snipe, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snipe, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snipe, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snipe,
Oh.
Severus Snape.
Oh, here we go. Try 3. Should have kept that up longer. That was my bad. It's fine. Editing is
we
a
need to
thing.
stab Kenny now.
Now time for the editing process,
Ugh.
which is gonna be so much fun.
Oh, let me log off.
Oh, it's still recording.